Hi everyone! Today I have a really exciting video for me and hopefully for you guys too. I am going to be unboxing a box set from my favorite band, Coheed and Cambria. So this is it. This is for Vaxis 2, A Window of the Waking Mind, or To the Waking Mind. Of the Waking Mind, I was right. Let's just talk about the packaging real quick. So this packaging is really cool. So it's branding all over. So this is the symbol for Vaxis. It says Coheed and Cambria, Vaxis 2, A Window of the Waking Mind, Roadrunner, Evil Ink Records. And then it says, this package is intended for authorized personnel only. Caution. If you have received this shipment in error, do not open. Immediately contact your Liars Club chapter authority. So lots of little Easter eggs. Right off the bat, I can tell you I'm probably going to keep the box. I am just that person that is going to keep the box. I'm going to go ahead and open it. I have a handy dandy knife here. And I'm going to be careful not to cut myself or the contents inside. I'm very excited. So for those of you who've never seen a unboxing or even a box set for Coheed and Cambria, in my personal opinion, they do the best box sets. So I'm very excited. So here is what we're looking at. And there's a signed certificate on the top. I have several autographs from them, but they're my favorite band, so I'm always very excited when I get them. So I set this back a little bit so we can see everything. So this is how it comes. Oop. So there is either a DVD or a CD right there. I want to say this is probably a DVD because I bet the CD is probably in the box, but I could be mistaken. So let's take it apart piece by piece. So right here we have the Liars Club recruitment form, which is basically the certificate of authenticity, and it's signed by each member of the band. Ignore my nails missing. I need to get them done. This is not what this video is about though. So let's put that somewhere safe. Then we have the Vaxis 2 box set. Now this looks identical on the outside to the first one. Let's move this down a little bit. This looks identical on the outside to the first one, except it's in this gorgeous like teal blue color. I don't want to force it open, but all right. And there we have the book, Coheed and Cambria, Vaxis, Act 2. So for those of you that don't know, Coheed and Cambria has a comic book series called the Amory Wars. This one is like a prequel to that. So Act 1, obviously, you had a book with the story in it. And this is the second book. And if you pre-ordered, you actually got your name in the book, which I did. And we have some amazing artwork. They always have amazing artwork. I'm very excited to flip through this and read it. So that is the book. I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in its sleeve for now. Let me see if I can find my name. There are a lot of names. These are the names of people that pre-ordered, so I'm gonna do that later. I'm not gonna hold you guys up. That's not what you're here to see. That's just something that I wanted to indulge in. Put that somewhere safe. So then you get the black card, which it has a valid through date of 5/5/23. This one is called the Liars Club card. Now these cards will get you into the shows early as long as the venue is participating in that. I've never used one because I always just buy the VIP tickets, if I'm honest. But that is really cool if you don't want to spend the money on the VIP tickets, or you just want early entry, you don't really care about the VIP. This is really, really cool. What is this? Oh, is this a poster? It is. So we have a poster. That's really neat. Go ahead and put that back in the bag as well. And the really cool part about this box set is this. So, does it come with batteries in? Oh, it doesn't come with batteries in it. But this is supposed to be a Bluetooth speaker, and it has a little, I'll have to get video of this for you guys, but it has a little, what do you call them? The things with like lightning inside them, when you touch it, it like follows your finger. It's got that in the middle. So this is a really cool piece. They call it the containment unit. So it does come with a little user manual. Oh, there's a USB cable. So there is. Let's plug it up and see what she does. Okay, everyone, we've got the containment unit all set up here. So we are going to power it on and see what it does. Oh, there it is. Can you see it? You can see it a little bit. Let's open it up. There, you can see it better. Oh my goodness, it's so cool. I'll have to show a video of this at night as well because it is very, very neat. I used to love these plasma balls. That's what they were called when I was a kid. So this is so nostalgic. Very cool. And I thought it was supposed to be a speaker, but I don't think it is. I don't see any speaker ports or anything. So I don't know where I got that from. It's not a speaker. It's just a really cool piece of art, basically. Very, very neat. I love it. This is definitely probably my favorite box that they've done. I really loved the NECA mask in the last box. If you guys want to see an unboxing of that, let me know. It won't be straight out of the box. Obviously, I've owned it for a bit. But if you want to see everything that comes in it, let me know. I have several box sets of theirs, but I think this is by far my favorite. By far. Very, very cool little plasma thing. I could play with this all day. Anyway, yeah, that's that. Alright, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this unboxing of Vaxis 2 from Coheed and Cambria, A Window of the Waking Mind. It is an amazing box set. I am very, very pleased with this. I got it a few days late, so I've just been super excited and like really wanting to get it. Please stay tuned on my channel. I will post a review of what I think about this album. I do have some thoughts, so hopefully you'll join me in that, but that is it for right now. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!